Okay.
Right? Okay. First, we're gonna take that, make sure the key is in position.
So we are taking screws out of the leg of the machine, placing in the motor bracket into the machine.
It only goes in one direction.
There's only one direction to put it on. Make sure you put all 3 screws in. I am slightly zoomed in for this shot, by the way, so it can see fine. It's recommended to use hand tools, please.
Okay, motor.
Okay, can I get the motor real quick? So you can
No,
see the key?
this is good.
No, well, I want to show the key, Dan. So there's
Use the one tape, man.
there's a key on the motor that slides into the key on the shaft. We are going to doing it in one take. Flip the motor. Make sure the green connections are facing the back of the machine. And with the key, you don't have to tighten the set screw.
Put the plugs in.
Plug in the motor.
Okay.
Zooming out now.
Next step, take 3 pieces of styrofoam, place them directly under the sensor.
Okay, we're taking 3 pieces of styrofoam and placing it directly underneath where the sensor is.
Take the leg, the screws.
Chris, can you back up just about 1 foot? Thank you. So you take the back plates and screw them into the machine. The screw should already be in place on the back plates.
Not as easy as it looks.
No, it's not.
Sabotage, Dennis.
And on this is just low to medium tight. You don't have to over crank this. It's just to connect it to the machine. Here's the second plate. Okay, zooming out. Okay. Now we're going to stand the machine up. Go ahead and can you bring it basically to the center, like all the way. Yeah. Okay.
Next step is to put this on.
So next step is put the bat on. The screws for the bat should be taped to the bat, ready to go. It is important that the
Short piece goes to the back, towards the motor.
the short end is towards the motor cover and towards the rear of the machine. So, yep, just like that. It is very important that you use these screws. If you do not use these screws and you use a different one, it can go through the bat and ruin it.
Don't over tighten these.
Yeah, do not over tighten these.
Next up.
Okay, next step. These screws, you take these all the way out, zoom it back out, and now it's important that the wire of this is not twisted around. So you may have to rotate the entire rail system. That's twisted. Is it?
No, that's good.
Is it? Might be good. I don't know. You almost wanted, should get a shot of that,
Try to what?
of you twisting it around to untangle that X wire. Here, I'll come in and assist now.
No, that's okay. You got me?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
got it?
No, you're like shoulders down here.
Okay. Which way?
Like, just go ahead and twist it a way. Yeah. Nope, not that way. So you go the other way until it's good. Perfect. You do these screws 2 at a time, zooming in on the screws. Those 4 screws we took out.
Don't tighten the screws down until you have all 4 in position.
Zooming back out. Slide in the screw guard, and now you need to bring the back towards, slide in the screw guard, and you need to bring the back all the way to you, and then you can bend it,
Lift up on the back.
or lift up on the back. You can't do it that way too. And the core of the machine is now assembled. So now,
Okay. Extruder. Anti-rotator, which just slips down into position.
okay, I'm going to be panning up now.
Attach the cables.
Attaching the cables.
Piece of Velcro. that
I
you
don't have the
put on
Velcro
there.
on that, which sucks.
That's it.
That's it. The machine is assembled and ready for use.